Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked.
Samsung has officially announced the launch of the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, with all eyes on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. Exciting details about the device's renders and colors have recently surfaced. Renowned Samsung leaker Ice Universe shared a tweet showcasing the renders and colors of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In the tweet, Ice Universe clarified, "You can think of it as a work of netizens' imagination, but it is not the color of the real S25 Ultra, and it's completely wrong." In the comments, popular tech YouTuber Zone of Tech revealed, "We'd rendered these concepts based on the leaked SIM tray colors." Ice Universe responded, "Ok, but the color of SIM tray is a little off from the real thing. But I think the real rendering will be released soon." The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Plus have both been revealed in recent leaks, showcasing their refined designs and notable updates. Dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra originating from China have surfaced online with striking images shared by Roland Quant. The Ultra model appears in silver and black with additional standard and exclusive colors anticipated at launch, including titanium blue, rumored to be its signature shade. A significant design shift for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its frame, which replaces the sharp edges of previous models with slightly rounded corners, giving it a more boxy yet elegant appearance. Slightly taller and narrower than its predecessor, the S25 Ultra features a 6.86-inch display, offering improved handling and usability. Its titanium frame, both lightweight and durable, is complemented by color-matched buttons on the right side, including 2 for volume control and a multifunctional key. The rear design includes a sophisticated camera setup with 3 large rings and 2 smaller ones housing 4 image sensors and a TOF lens. The rings feature a circular texture design similar to the Galaxy Fold 6, with an LED flash enhancing low-light photography. The vertically aligned camera arrangement in the top left corner further accentuates the device's sleek aesthetics. Meanwhile, renders of the Galaxy S25 Plus have emerged courtesy of leaker Evan Blass. Though his posts on X were removed, the images continue to circulate online. The S25 Plus retains the familiar corner radius of its predecessor, with slightly thinner bezels that make it nearly indistinguishable from the Galaxy S24 Plus. In contrast, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design is more transformative, with its rounded corners replacing the sharp edges seen in Samsung's recent flagship models. The Ultra offers a softer, more approachable look as reflected in both dummy units and leaked renders. Together, these models highlight Samsung's evolution in design, blending innovation with the brand's signature aesthetic. Let's dive into the 5 biggest upgrades in the S25 Ultra over the S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make its debut on January 22, and anticipation is through the roof. Rumors point to faster performance, enhanced cameras, and impressive AI-powered features as one of 2025's most awaited smartphones, alongside the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air and the enigmatic Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises cutting-edge technology, top-notch performance, and a refined design. Here are the 5 most exciting upgrades the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings compared to its predecessor. 1. Longer battery life. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery typically lasts a full day, it often struggles to make it to bedtime under heavy usage. The Galaxy S25 Ultra retains the same battery capacity but introduces the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, rumored to deliver substantial efficiency improvements. This means you can expect not only faster performance but also noticeably longer battery life.
Samsung Galaxy AI.
The AI.
2. Enhanced AI features. Samsung has emphasized AI as a central theme for its next Galaxy devices. The S25 Ultra will showcase these advancements with AI-powered features in One UI 7, such as writing tools, spelling and grammar checks, summarizations, and call transcripts. Additionally, Bixby is rumored to receive a complete overhaul, incorporating generative AI for a more intuitive and helpful experience. With built-in access to Google Gemini and other One UI 7 AI features, the S25 Ultra is poised to compete with Apple's AI capabilities for the title of the best smartphone AI experience. 3. Improved ultra-wide camera. Samsung is rumored to replace the S24 Ultra's 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a powerful 50-megapixel sensor on the S25 Ultra, a significant upgrade. Ultra-wide cameras often lag behind in performance, especially in low-light conditions. The new sensor could address these shortcomings, delivering brighter, sharper, and more detailed ultra-wide shots. While exact specifications remain under wraps, this upgrade could transform ultra-wide photography on Samsung's flagship. 4. Ki-2 wireless charging. There's speculation that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be among the first smartphones in the US to adopt Ki-2 wireless charging. This upgraded standard offers faster charging speeds and magnetic alignment for optimal positioning. 5. A more comfortable design. While the S24 Ultra's boxy design and squared-off edges look sleek, they can become uncomfortable during extended use. The S25 Ultra is expected to retain the floating camera design and overall aesthetic, but with softer corners and edges for improved ergonomics. This subtle design refinement could make a big difference in daily usability. With these upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changing flagship device. From AI enhancements to ergonomic improvements, it's clear that Samsung is aiming to deliver an exceptional smartphone experience in 2025. Following a detailed look at the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, its color options have now been leaked. It's highly likely that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a titanium side frame. But what colors will it be available in? According to well-known tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in 4 standard colors: black, blue, green, and titanium. However, these are just the regular options, and Samsung is likely to offer additional colors through its website. When it rains, it pours. Just a few hours ago, we saw the first leak about the Galaxy S25 Ultra from a trusted source, revealing its satellite connectivity and new charging specs compared to its predecessor. Now, another leak about Samsung's upcoming non-foldable flagship confirms what the previous one had disclosed. China's 3C has certified the Galaxy S25 Ultra, confirming some key features. The certification reveals the phone includes satellite connectivity, allowing users to contact emergency services in areas without cellular coverage, though with a different specification, 15VX3A, compared to previous models, 11VX4.05A. The listing also notes 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G connectivity, which is expected. China's Quality Certification Center has certified a Samsung device with the model number SMS9380. Given that the Galaxy S24 Ultra carries the model number SMS9280, it's highly likely that SMS9380 is the model number for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Additional leaks indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a quad-camera setup on the rear, including a 200-megapixel primary camera with a wide lens, a 50-megapixel camera with a telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel camera with a super telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel camera with an ultra-wide lens. For selfies, the phone will be equipped with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Samsung's supply chain has unveiled mass production plans for the forthcoming Galaxy S25 series. Based on this information, the company plans to produce approximately 22 million Galaxy S25 units by midsummer. For the time being, Samsung has notified component suppliers of its intention to produce around 22 million Galaxy S25 phones by June, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra accounting for roughly half of that total. Samsung's mass production roadmap indicates that the company aims to produce approximately 11 million Galaxy S25 Ultra units, around 6 million Galaxy S25 units, and about 4 million Galaxy S25 Plus units by June 2025. As reported by the ELEC, the estimated monthly production volume for the Galaxy S25 series is projected to reach 2 million units in December, 5 million in January, 4 million in February, 3 million in March, 2 million in April, 2 million in May, and another 2 million in June. That is for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.